Hi everyone, welcome to Boston Scrub. Today, we're showing you how a template machine helps us create perfect V-neck medical scrubs quickly and efficiently. V-necks can be tricky when done manually, it's slow, mistakes happen, and it's hard to get consistent results, especially with bulk orders. That's why we rely on the template machine. It speeds up production significantly and ensures that every cut is precise, meaning each V-neck fits just right and has the same quality, no matter how large the order. We start with premium fabrics, use the machine for perfect V-neck cuts, then move them through our sewing and quality control. This process not only saves time, but ensures durability and comfort in every scrub we make. At Boston Scrub, our focus is delivering high-quality, affordable scrubs fast. If you want reliable, top-tier scrubs, hit that like, subscribe, and check out our shop. Thanks for watching.